Welcome to 1791 Helm Street, a stunning custom-built 4-bedroom, 5-washroom executive home on a prestigious cul-de-sac within the Dunbarton neighbourhood of Pickering. Situated on a premium-sized lot that has been professionally landscaped front and back, this stone and brick home has a triple-car garage with driveway parking for up to 6 vehicles, a pool-sized backyard, and over 4,100 square feet of luxurious interior living space. With attention to detail that is second to none, the main level showcases 10-foot ceilings, 6.5-inch engineered hardwood floors, polished tiled floors, as well as pot lighting and modern chandeliers, while every room has been elegantly appointed with upgraded crown moldings, trims, and baseboards. Off the foyer, a French door entry gives the main level den privacy when desired, and nestled off the reception hallway is both a double coat closet as well as a powder room with a granite-topped vanity and a motion sensor light switch. The elegance of the dining room is accentuated with an oval-shaped coffered ceiling, while an east-facing window with arched transom in the adjacent living room bathes both of these formal entertaining spaces with warm natural light. In the family room, floor-to-ceiling arched windows allow for exceptional backyard views while flooding the stunning space with warm natural light. Built-in shelves frame the gas fireplace surrounded by a stone-cast mantel, which rises to meet the waffled ceiling. Garden doors off the breakfast area open onto a covered concrete deck with wrought iron railing, which overlooks a pool-sized backyard landscaped with armor stones, evergreens, and perennial plantings. A chef's dream, the Gourmet Kitchen showcases custom cabinetry, a center island with seating, valance and pendant lighting, granite counters and stone backsplashes, as well as high-end built-in stainless steel appliances including a gas cooktop, fridge, dishwasher, and wall oven and microwave. There is also the wonderful convenience of a butler servery with direct access to the dining room, with many of the same details as the kitchen, as well as the inclusion of a walk-in pantry. The hardwood staircases to the upper and lower levels have the timeless finish of wrought iron spindles. And beyond the upper staircase is a rear mudroom with a sink, closet storage, and access to the garage, as well as a secondary staircase to the lower level. The lower hall is finished with wooden flooring throughout and divides the lower level into 2 distinct areas, both unfinished, yet with amazing potential for additional living space. The same fine detailing found on the main level has been carried to the upper level, such as the hardwood flooring, polished tiled floors, the crown moldings and trims, as well as pot lighting and chandeliers. The upper hall is open to below, and from here, the elegance and simplicity of the main entry can truly be appreciated. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are all very generous in their size, come with walk-in closets, and have arched windows for abundant natural lighting. And all 3 additionally feature ensuite washrooms with beautifully tiled shower areas and vanities with quartz counters. The upper hallway wraps around the staircase, and the railing adds to the openness of the space, while the coffered ceiling and chandelier lend an aura of grandeur. This level also features 9-foot ceilings throughout and a laundry room with cabinetry and closet storage, as well as a mosaic tile backsplash. While other fine features of the home include custom window treatments, a surround sound system in the family room, a security system, central vacuum system, central air conditioning, a humidifier, and a heat recovery ventilator. The stunning master suite overlooks the backyard and showcases a deeply coffered ceiling, a chic papered accent wall, as well as his and her walk-in closets with organizers. Its luxurious ensuite washroom has been beautifully appointed with a marble-tiled floor and glass shower, a freestanding tub, mosaic-tiled bath and shower accents, as well as a quartz-top vanity with his and her basins. Close to Gandetsetiegan Public School, St. Mary Catholic Secondary School, parks, and the Steeple Hill Shopping Plaza. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and access to Highway 401, as well as to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.